To sell on social media, you need to make your ideal customers aware that they actually have a problem in the first place. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for entrepreneurs and business owners. Before you can sell on social media as a small business, you need to first understand the journey your customer is going to go through before they will actually buy from you. This is sometimes known as the customer journey or the sales funnel. But the fact is that there is a process, and understanding what the process is, which is crucial to your success if you are going to sell your products or services on social media. There are a total of 4 stages to master in order to sell on social media, and I call it the customer journey. The first stage is the awareness stage. The awareness stage has 2 layers that work simultaneously together. It is basically about you indirectly making your customers aware of your business or your brand by directly making them aware that they have a problem that your products or services will be able to solve. This is something that we like to call in our industry as the customer's pain point. A pain point is a specific problem that your ideal customers are experiencing. In order for you to tackle your customer's pain point well, you must first find your dream customers and perform a market research. This is something I coach in depth in my program called Passionpreneur Academy. In PPA, we're gonna work together to bring you from a total beginner all the way to phase 7. We have 7 phases designed to help you to build a foundation on social media and help you to get leads into your business. If you would love to make a difference in your life and learn more, then click the link in my comment box down below to join my free 90 minutes webinar. So, to sell on social media, you need to make your ideal customers aware that they actually have a problem in the first place. And guys, you have to make it obvious for them. Why? Well, the truth is that until someone recognizes that they have a problem that needs to be solved, they are not going to make a purchase to solve that problem. For instance, let's say you offer insurance services. One of your customers' pain points, if they don't have insurance, could be not being able to safeguard their financial if unfortunate happens. So you could create content on social media to highlight that they have this problem, like getting them to acknowledge their feelings overwhelmed or the reality that they are putting themselves and their families at risk if they do not have an insurance. The important thing to take note at this stage is not to sell anything yet. You are just making them aware that there are problems through your content. So your call to action would mostly be along the lines of learn more, send me a message for more information. Just to add, if your business wants more visibility on social media in 2021, then you need to start producing video content because this type of content will account for 82% of all internet traffic by 2020. So jump on this now and you will thank me later. Again, I coach on video marketing in Passionpreneur Academy. Moving on to the second stage, the consideration stage. Now that your customers know that they have a problem, they will now be looking for a way to solve that problem. This is what we call the consideration stage. This stage is where you start to position yourself as the business that can help your ideal customers to solve their problems. This stage plays a vital part in the decision-making process for your customers when the time comes for them to purchase a solution for their problem. So a lot of content on social media at this stage must be educational, motivational, and inspirational content. Whatever you choose to call it, the strategic goal is to position yourself as the go-to authority that helps your customers solve the issue that you have highlighted for them in the awareness stage. If you want to know how to sell on social media, you have to understand that you cannot get away from educational content. This is because it will help you add the value that people are freely searching for online, and best believe that before anyone will buy online right now, they need to know that you are able to add some form of values or information to their problems. This is where you have your how-to, doing this one thing will change, or 3 ways to solve this type of content. Don't be shy to share past customer testimonials, reviews, and how your product or services have transformed the lives of those who have purchased it. So your call to action for this stage is also not to sell anything. You are positioning yourself as the go-to authority, so your call to action should most likely be along of the lines of text someone, share it with someone, comment below if you have had, or send me a message if you want more help. You may also wish to use lead magnets like downloadable checklists or infographics or even free webinars for this stage of your strategy. The third stage of the customer journey is the conversion stage. It's time to sell on social media. This is where you need your customers to take action now. Now, you have told your ideal customers what their problem is and you have positioned yourself as the go-to authority to help them solve that problem. Your ideal customers will be more receptive to buy from you at this stage. So you have to tell them how they can do that. But don't just go in with the hard sell and only say buy, buy, buy. You still need to nurture that relationship you have formed with your ideal customers. So content like how my product or services will help you, you don't want to miss this amazing offer, will make up a major part of your content for this stage. You may also want to encourage your ideal customers to buy from you by offering incentive or time-limited offer. Remember, it's all about your customers to take action. Your call to action for this stage has to be strong and leave no ambiguity as to what you are telling your ideal customers to do, which is to purchase your product or services. Tell them how to do this with a call to action like purchase via the link in the bio, go to my website and buy now, or send me a message to place your order today. The fourth stage is the engagement stage. For some reason, several businesses seem to completely miss this stage, which I call the dating stage. But it's also known as the engagement stage, and it is just as important as the other three stages that we have stated just now. Just because the customers has purchased from you doesn't mean they just disappear. This is an opportunity for you to make them repeat customers and make them ambassador for your products. For instance, sharing your content on social media or telling others about your product or services. It's all about continuing to provide valuable content through social media or email marketing so you can stay connected with them even after their purchase. So your call to action for this type of content will be similar to that of the consideration and conversion stage, depending on the type of content that you post. If you find that you are struggling to come up with content that speaks to your ideal customer's pain point, then this means you may not actually understand what you are selling and the solutions your product or services provides to your ideal customers. Also, don't forget, as much as you are posting content online and you are taking your customers through this journey so you can sell on social media, make sure you are also building relationship with your customers by engaging with them on social media. So respond to the likes, comments, and messages. I do hope that this video on social media has been helpful. I do a lot of content on social media marketing strategy, so be sure to check out these two videos that I have for you as well. Again, I appreciate you and thanks for watching all the way. I will see you in the next video. Bye guys!